Aloha! Welcome to our Hawaiian vacation home!
Baby, we're children of summer, we're meant to be free. Hearted, we're not like the other, no reason to be.
Okay, actually this is where our friend Shannon lives, but she is gonna be gone for an entire month and we are gonna be house sitting for her. This place is magical. It is literally paradise and I can't wait to show you the entire house and the entire grounds. Let's go. So first thing, we have this beautiful outdoor sitting area. It is just the most gorgeous blue color. There's lights. We can hang out here all through the night or just first thing in the morning having a cup of coffee. We have a hammock chair. We have a picnic table for family dinners. We have cozy sitting over here. And around the corner, there is even an outdoor shower. So the outdoor shower is amazing, especially because you're gonna be spending a lot of time at the beach. So we can just get home and shower and not get the indoor showers super sandy. Also, something a little unique about this space is this is where the laundry room is. So we're gonna be doing our laundry outside, which will be kind of nice. Let's go inside. Come on inside. So when you first walk in, you're in like this huge family kitchen. I love it. It's ceilings all the way up, which is amazing. It just feels so light and airy and beautiful in here. This is where we're gonna be making all of those fresh squeezed juices and smoothies and just making some good Hawaiian food in here. So this is the kitchen and it takes you all the way over into kind of just like the office area / shelves and I don't know, family area, and then we're gonna walk into the first bedroom, which is downstairs. Again, I just love the way Shannon has decorated. Everything is just so light and airy and beachy and kind of, I don't know, I just love it. So we've got the bedroom that also has its own bathroom. And this beautiful bathroom. It has a really nice tile shower and floor. The sink is just gorgeous. And then over here, there's a towel rack that has cedar. So it kind of smells a little bit like a sauna in here. And then of course, if you walk in, you have this amazing, gorgeous Hawaiian view with landscaping. So the first flight of stairs takes you to the loft. So it's overlooking into the kitchen area. And this is where there's 2 bedrooms. It also is kind of another family sitting area. There is a cozy couch and some books. It has a window right behind so you can again enjoy the view and the breeze. There's a beautiful breeze up here, so there's always lots of airflow coming through. And then there's 2 bedrooms on this floor. So that's 3 bedrooms in the house, and we'll go ahead and take you upstairs. This is my favorite room of the house. It feels like you're in a tree house, especially the way Shannon has decorated. She has a hammock here. There's another one that can go right there that we also move outside, but there's exposed beams. Everything is white. There's windows on all sides, and you can see the ocean from up here. Also a really cool bathroom over here. So this bathroom is so cool because it has like pebble tile on the ground. I love the colors of it. Again, the high ceilings just make everything feel so spacious. It also has a shower bathtub combo. The toilet is hiding over here. There's storage space in here, and this is where the kitty cats hide because they're a little afraid of us right now. Everyone can hang out up here. We can play board games or just enjoy the amazing view. But this is a very special part about this area is the lanai, or the balcony. It's amazing! You can hear the chickens, you can see the horses, you have this amazing ocean view, and more hammock. So this is my favorite place to be for morning coffee or a beautiful sunset. But now let's take you to the grounds. So that's Opie. He's very friendly and loves to come with us on these ground tours. Come on, Opie, let's go to the garden. So this is actually called an ohana house, which means there's multiple families living on the property and then they all share the common grounds. This place is super special because there are so many amazing fruit trees. There's room for a huge garden, and we got a lot of chicken friends and one very special friend I'll share with you soon. So the property is actually about 2 acres. And before the owners who have it now, there were 90 fruit trees planted on this property. I think they said there's about 40 left, but still, that's a lot of fruit. There's a lot of different trees here. Some of them I actually don't even really know what they are, but I will show you the ones that I do know. Okay, so right here is a little pool for that special friend I told you about. Over in this area, there is what's left of a garden. It needs to be redone, but there was some kale, there's carrot, there was herbs, there's a lot of potential and a lot of plans for this area over there, but great space for a garden. As we walk by, there's like citrus trees right here, and here is Turbo. This is a really super old tortoise who's been living on the property for I don't know how long, a long time, and he is super cool. Found out that his favorite food is hibiscus flower, and we will definitely be giving him a treat one of these days. All over, all different kinds of fruit trees. Here's an orange tree right here. We can actually pick the oranges from the tree in the morning and fresh squeeze our own orange juice. We are so excited about it. It's gonna be amazing. These ones over here are super orange and juicy. I can't wait to try it. Look, Bug, oranges! Yummy! Okay, also there's a coconut tree, but you're not supposed to walk under it because if it falls on your head, it's not good. Something that I think is super cool is there are banana trees. How cool is that? We're so grateful for Shannon for letting us stay here, and we can't wait to share every adventure with you. So be sure to leave a comment down below what you think about this beautiful house. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of these amazing Hawaiian adventures, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Say be repeater.